Welcome to Curls by Charlene. Today I'm going to share with you the reasons why we shouldn't use silicones and sulfates in the products that we buy, especially for us curly girls. What are silicones? Silicones are synthetic materials which are typically resilient to chemical attack and they're insensitive to temperature changes. They're used to make rubber and plastics and also in polish and lubricants. They are also good and bad silicones. Some are soluble in water and some are insoluble in water. And basically in our conditioners, shampoos, leave-ins, sometimes they put the insoluble ones and so we can't get rid of them when we wash our hair. So why is it important to know that silicones aren't good for us? Well, basically, when you put silicone in your hair, you're creating a coat, like a plastic coat on your hair, and you stop the nutrients and nice oils that are good for us penetrating into the hair follicles. So we're losing all those nutrients. We're buying all these great products, but because they have silicone in them, they won't actually penetrate into our hair. Harvard Medical School even noted that silicones stops evaporation of water and keeps hair hydrated. So what do they do for us? It makes our hair and our locks feel slippery and smooth. It also keeps them from puffing up at the first sign of moisture. However, it weighs down our hair, especially our curls. Prevents other moisturizing ingredients from penetrating into the hair shaft. Leads to annoying buildup over time, so because you keep layering more and more on and nothing actually penetrates into the hair shaft, we're just layering product over product over product and we can't wash it out because it's insoluble, it doesn't dissolve in water. So every time we wash our hair, the products are still in our hair. Our hair will respond in two ways. It can be super dry and brittle due to the lack of moisture, or it could look overly greasy because your hair is trying to make up for the deficit of the oils that it naturally produces. So it will be making more and more oils, and so your hair gets greasy because it thinks there's no oil.
These two products broke my heart because these were my go-to products, and literally anytime I went to buy anything, these were the products I bought. They smell amazing, but they both have silicones. This trimethicone that just annoys me. It's the Beautiful Textures Rapid Repair Deep Conditioner. It says no sulfates, no parabens, but it's got silicones. And the one on the right is the Olive Miracle Leave-In Anti-Breakage. This also says no sulfates, no mineral oils, no parabens, no glutens. But guess what? It's got silicone. So argan oil is meant to be great for our hair, but these two products, the shampoo and conditioner, argan oil, Moroccan argan oil extract, the shampoo and conditioner both have dimethicone, so they have silicones, so it's layering materials on our hair so we can't get the nutrients in. And then the shampoo has silicones and sulfates. So the shampoo has sulfates, which strips our hair of natural oils, and then it's also got the silicone, which is the dimethicone, that seals the hair so no other nutrients can get in. So the hair is literally thirsting, starving for moisture. XHC, the tea tree moisturizing conditioner. This really smells like tea tree, but it's got dimethicone. So is the tea tree even getting into our hair? Organics hair mayonnaise has silicone, and then the Oars olive oil has silicone and has sulfate. Tresemme, this one says for dry damaged hair, but what were you thinking? you've got 2 silicones in your conditioner. How are we going to get any natural oils or minerals to even formulate when you're sealing the hair so nothing can enter? I'm getting a bit too passionate about these products having dimethicone and trimethicone. They have silicone. You need to look at the products that you buy because the ingredients have silicone time and time again. Like, these products aren't even all cheap products. Some of them actually cost quite a bit. So why are you putting these ingredients that we don't need in our hair? Now, this one is an interesting one, the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Deep Treatment, because it actually has a silicone that's semi-water soluble, however you pronounce bis-amino propyl dimethicone, which means that it may cause buildup in your hair over time. But it seems to be a trial and error kind of ingredient because some people have no issue with buildup while others do. For me, when I first used this, I was like, wow, my hair is so soft, and it smells amazing. But after I used it a number of times, the frizz, my curls were just not defining anymore. So I can't use it, but it's obviously up to you whether it works for your hair or it doesn't. For mine, it doesn't work, so I've got to stay away from it.
So how do we get rid of silicones that we've been piling and piling in our hair? You will need a clarifying shampoo to remove the silicone. However, in order to have a clarifying shampoo, that means you need a shampoo with sulfates in. And sulfates aren't good either. So we're layering these silicones on our hair, and we can't remove them because they won't be dissolved by water. So we need to use a sulfate, which is also bad for us, in our hair to remove the other bad thing that's in our hair.
There is a way that we can get rid of silicones in our hair without using products that have sulfate, and here it is, apple cider vinegar. It is amazing. You just do an apple cider vinegar rinse, and stay tuned, I will do another video on apple cider vinegar rinse, so please like and subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell, and you'll know when I've uploaded the new video.
What are sulfates? They are chemicals used as cleansing agents found in household cleaners, detergents, and even in our shampoos. They create a lathering effect to remove oil and dirt from our hair. So why do these companies put sulfates in their products? Because it leaves our hair feeling silky clean. Like you feel like, oh, everything is out, because it literally strips everything from your hair. Removed all the buildup, and that's great. But it also strips our hair of all its natural oils. It also strips the moisture from our hair, causing frizz. This then leaves our hair dry and brittle. And on some people, it can even cause skin irritation. Here is a list of sulfates that we need to stay away from. Let's stay away from silicones and sulfates because they are not good for us. They cause us more damage over time. We're ruining our curl pattern. We're creating frizz. We're basically hindering our curly hair journey. When really, we want to have amazing curls.
These are the best products to use. This is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This one clearly says on the product, no sulfates, no parabens, no paraffin, no mineral oil, no synthetic color, no petroleum. Like, these are the kind of products to buy. This one also smells amazing. This is probably one of my favorite products. Maui Moisture is another great brand to buy from. That's the shampoo, the conditioner, the hair mask, as well as the hair butter. It's all on this picture that I took. As you can see, I love it. These are more on the pricey side, but they are good products, and they clearly label on the side of their products no mineral oils, no silicones, no sulfates, no synthetic dyes. Yes, it's vegan. Yes, pure coconut water, pure aloe vera juice. It's definitely the one to get. Cantu Deep Treatment Mask. This is obviously one of my faves. No mineral oils, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones. It's clearly on the tub telling you all these things. There's also Cantu for kids. I actually love Cantu. My hair absolutely loves it. My curls get defined. They just start popping. Like, I can't fault Cantu. Happy Naturals is another great product. It clearly states on the front, free from parabens, petrochemicals, sulfates and silicones, and at the back it has a whole list of it as well. Also, these products smell amazing. African Pride, Shea Butter Miracle, the curling styling custard. This is another good product. It doesn't actually state on the container whether it's sulfate or silicone free, but when you look at the ingredients, I can't see any silicones and sulfates.
Please follow me on Curls by Charlene on Instagram with all my latest updates. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Please leave a comment below on how sulfates and silicones have affected you. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching Curls by Charlene.